Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily set up iCloud on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So now, if you've recently switched from an iPhone to a Samsung device, you might be wondering if you can still access your iCloud data, and the answer is yes, but Samsung does not have a built-in iCloud support like Apple devices. But there's still ways to do that. So the easiest way to use iCloud on your Samsung Galaxy is by going through a web browser. So now I'm gonna open one and now go to iCloud.com. After you do that, you need to sign in using your Apple account. Here enter your email and now continue with a password. Here enter your password, and after you're done, click the arrow. Here, once you're in, you'll have access to your mail, contacts, calendar, your notes and reminders, or photos if iCloud Photos was enabled on your device. Now, if it's your first time logging in from a new device, Apple may ask you for a two-factor authentication, and that would mean you will get a notification here and you will need to click allow and then enter the code on your Samsung device. Now, after you do that, as I said, you have access to everything, but the only downside is that you can only view and download files and you cannot sync iCloud Photos directly to Samsung Gallery app. Now, what you can also try and do is access iCloud Photos, and how you can do that is after logging here, click on Photos, and if you want to download those, what you need to do is click here OK. Now click Select and select all. Here click those three dots and now click Download X items. Here, as you guys can see, now it will download, and that's how you can easily do that. But my final thoughts are, the only good reason for iCloud doing that on the browser is you can access it on any device. You can also set up iCloud Mail in the Samsung email app, and you can manually transfer contacts and calendar events. But the downsides are that you can fully sync iCloud Photos like you did on an iPhone, and iMessage and FaceTime sadly won't work. And that would be it. Now you know how you can easily set up iCloud on your device. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.